Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about create cinematic videos with AI, new AI video generation tool, FocalML tutorial. So this is going to be the website of FocalML. If you're familiar with ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, or even Leonardo AI, all of those AI has been come together and created Focal. I'm telling you that this Focal is really good because it really is going to be a free trial and it bests out all of the major video generation tools out there. So how does it work? First, it will generate a script from a prompt. As you can see right there, with one single prompt, it's generating script to script. So you don't have to be a scriptwriter to do this. And then you can edit with the chat. Basically, you can edit everything again with a prompt. The precise control option is really good for your timeline frame, so you don't have to do it from scratch. As you can see right there, everything is good. Alright? Also here, the latest models are gonna be with the best AI features out there. So I have a sample video here, or a sample video for Focal. Let me just enhance and maximize the video.
Alright, boys. We have to come up with something.
Sweet Tooth, how you doing?
Hi Lee. I'm fine, thanks. Have you heard anything about the papers?
Hey, come on, Bobby. Randall's got that major on a wild goose chase.
And so, how's that going?
We'll see. We'll see. Those crates of condensed milk. It's something. Huh. God forbid this plan doesn't work. We'll be eating that shit till the end of the war.
Texas, Sweet Tooth, gear up. You've got a mission.
Okay, let me just post that video for now because I don't want to really take much of your time. So anyway, these are going to be the prices. For now, we're using the free trial, gives us 200 digital credits, but the videos are going to be watermarked and we cannot really use it for commercial use. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to use my dummy Google account to get started for this one. Either click get started for free or sign in. I'll see you what's inside. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be what's inside Focal. First, of course, I'm going to look for a theme because I really want the black theme here, but I'm afraid that they don't have it. Anyway, click new project here. So you're going to have inside here two options. So wait for it to show up and there it is. You're going to have an option to start from an idea, basically type in a prompt or a script, or basically start from a blank project. Which is, I really don't recommend starting from a blank project because that is very tedious and having a lot of work. Anyway, I'm gonna click on from my idea here, and basically it's gonna ask me a single prompt. If you don't have any prompt in mind, you can just type in the ideas here. So as you can see, a movie about a detective who can remember his own name. You can refresh it. You can make a cyberpunk version of Romeo and Juliet. A movie about a detective again who can remember his own name. You can change the language and basically have fun here. So I'm going to type in here a movie about a young boy turned into a wizard. I'm going to do this one, and basically for that one, click generate plot, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. First of all, this is going to be your plot. This is going to be your scene or script. Again, you just started with a simple prompt and you have a script now. And I think these are 6,998 words. That's really awesome, given that it all started from a prompt. Anyway, I can regenerate the plot if I want to, but for now, I'm gonna click on continue. Now on this next option, you can select a style. You can choose photorealistic, screenshot of an anime, 3D render, 90s latest cartoon, or Sherlock Holmes. So I think the best style for my script, which is gonna be a boy for a turned wizard, I think photorealistic is a good one. You can only choose one, by the way, guys. Or, let's go for 1980s cartoon. I love that. Now for this one, you can search characters and locations. For example, these are going to be your characters. Ethan Gray, which is going to be this one, wherein you can change it by changing a prompt. We're gonna do that one on a next scene or a next video. Anyway, let's focus now on the characters for other creations. And by the way guys, if you don't like your characters and locations, you can simply click regenerate characters and locations here. But for now, I'm satisfied with this is. Anyway, the voices, you can check them right here. Let's all listen to Ethan.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
We make our own fortunes and we call them fate.
If you want to change the voice, you can just simply choose one there. And then you can preview them by clicking that speaker icon. Same goes at that one right here. And basically, I'm good here. You can add a new voice or regenerate the voices altogether if you want to. And by the way guys, these are going to be the chapters. You can add them up or shorten your chapters here. But for now, I'm going to remain as 10. You can also regenerate everything here. And by the way guys, if you select this one, you can move one of each. So you can move the last chapter to the first one depending on your choosing. 30 dots right here gives you the option to delete, and basically, you can also edit it directly. Alright? You can add a new chapter here by the way. Anyway, I'm gonna click create project now, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is how it looks like. So to generate a specific chapter, you're gonna need to select it and click generate. As you can see right here, this is the first chapter. And simply click on generate. And it's currently generating as of now. For the first chapter, we have 10 chapters by the way, or 10 frames if you may. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. So for the first chapter, we have this movie already. It's gonna be a preview. You can either accept it or reject it, but for now, I'm gonna click on accept. So we have this. A quick preview on how it looks like. So for this one, you're gonna see on the left side, all of your panels. In here, you can see this one. But I'm still looking for that bar where you can really move your images. Anyway, for that being said, what I do here is I always add and align this stuff right here because I don't really want to waste some time here. I'm going to delete that, and basically for this one, put it here, put it there. So delete unwanted images. So for example, this one right here, I'm going to delete that one, this one right there. And basically select everything now as it is and move it all the way out there. So again guys, I'm gonna delete something that's not really like important here. I'm gonna align everything as much as I can. Delete that one, place here. So I'm just condensing everything as I move forward. You can zoom out, zoom in by the way. For example, as you can see right here, I still have some more going on there. Let me just paste this one, copy it, move it right here. So I have the first movie in here. I can preview with this being said, but before I click on preview, let's talk about the things on the left side. Now, each scene are gonna be in here. You can edit the prompt directly. The characters are like there. You can animate or generate more. For example, you can change the characters. You can add some characters right there, or change it. For example, you want to make it to Nimbus, Elder, Elia, or Shadowborn. The choices right here are the characters you have chosen from the start of your movie. Also, the items here can be also selected, also the attributes. And make sure you select FluxDev because of course guys, we all love our FluxDev models. Going back here, you can change your speech. For example, what should the person say? You can choose it here, the sound background is here, and new video basically generate a new video. And then for the style here, as you can see, we're focusing on 1980s cartoon. If you want to change your style, you can do here, change it right there, and generate a new chapter. Voices are controlled here. As you can see, the characters Ethan, Nimbus, Elder, up to Mr. Pendleton are here. You can change them again on this option right there, but for now, I'm gonna remain everything as it is. Characters and location. These are gonna be our characters and our location. You can create a new one. You select this one again, you can change the prompt there and generate a new character. But for now, I think Ethan Gray is actually a really cute boy, so I'm gonna remain it as it is. Chapters right here, these are gonna be the one I've noticed earlier that we can change each one of them. But for now, I'm gonna remain it as it is. Settings, of course, these are gonna be your aspect ratio. Since this is a video, I suggest go for landscape. And then for the model, go for FluxDev. And the video model, go always for Luma. As you can see right there, there is Luma, Runway, Minimax, Kling Standard, you can compose. Luma is a good one. And then images per generation, you can choose here. Languages are gonna be right there. Anyway, I think I'm gonna change mine to Runway. I think Runway is much better than Luma if I remember. Now let's focus our timeline. So these are gonna be our timeline. As you can see right here, if I click on edit, I can animate, regenerate, or edit this one. For example, if I click on edit here, it will give me the option to edit, right? If I click on edit directly, I can have new instructions on this one. As you can see, I can type everything I want. Now for example, I want to generate something here and click on animate. As you can see, the boy runs and looks back with a smile. The other boy walks slowly. The boy runs quickly. Choose one of each. I'm gonna choose the last one. This one right here. And right now it's currently animating. Let's wait for it to finish. And now we have successfully animated each one of them. So you're gonna have a choices to change the scene there. However, for now, let's try and play. Let me just see if I can toggle full screen there. Perfect. And then, once I'm toggled full screen, let's see if we can play it. So I'm gonna play this one, and let's watch it all together.
Don't forget your lunch.
Thanks, Mum.
Off to school, lad.
Aye, but only for now. To Nimbus. Come on, just a little further. What do you suppose that is, Nimbus?
Who dares awaken the magic?
I didn't mean to awaken anything.
Fear not, young one. You possess the mark of the chosen. A wizard you must become.
A wizard? But that's just stories.
Stories are merely truths not yet believed. The time has come to awaken the legacy within you. Seek the Tower of Whispers. There, your path will begin.
A wizard.
And there we have it. That's gonna be our preview. Again guys, this is just chapter 1 of our movie, but I'm gonna satisfy myself with this one as of now. You know, what are some good here? For example, everything is good. You can change the voice and lower the volume here, by the way. If you want to lower them, you can edit with this one. Same goes with the subtitles here, and basically you'll be good there. And now let's talk about exporting our project. If you want to export our project, simply click on export there. Change our title. Let's go for Tutorialboxx Wizard. Add a description. This is going to be a sample video. You can add subtitles depending on your choices, but that's going to be for the paid trial. Now I'm going to click on publish right here, and it's currently generating. So the estimate of this one would be around 2 minutes, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be our exported video. And once you view it, I love how it looks like a YouTube interface. This is still going to be inside Focal. Let me try enlarging that one, and let's all watch it again all together.
Ethan, don't forget your lunch.
Thanks, Mum.
Off to school, lad.
Aye, but only for now. To Nimbus. Come on, just a little further. What do you suppose that is, Nimbus?
Who dares awaken the magic?
I didn't mean to awaken anything.
Fear not, young one. You possess the mark of the chosen. A wizard you must become.
Okay, since we already watched it, I'm gonna pause it as it is because I don't really want to spend much of your time. Anyway, the view here is like a YouTube where you can check some other videos. Let's try checking that one right there. And this is how it should look like. So let's all watch it all together. Let me just full screen and click on play.
Have you ever wondered how emails came to be? These days, they're such a big part of our daily lives that it's hard to imagine a world without them. But in 1971, sending an email wasn't just revolutionary, it was the beginning of digital communication as we know it today. Let me take you back to where it all started.
You ever wonder if we could send messages between these machines?
Are you serious? That would change everything.
I think I've got an idea. It's all about connecting, right? I've been thinking about something, you know? We're building ARPANET to let computers talk to each other, but what about people?
People? You mean like sending messages?
Okay, I'm just gonna post it as it is because that's quite a long one. Anyway guys, these are gonna be some more samples you can view. And basically we have successfully created our very own movie from scratch. 3 dots right there gives you the option to download in your computer. Easy as that. It's just like a YouTube video. And we're gonna have it on our computer with no problem at all. So again, basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.